Amidst the hills of Shillong, Prisca Pingrope's life is a testament to resilience and determination. Born with a spinal condition that confined her to a wheelchair, her journey to represent India in the World Arm Wrestling Championship in Moldova is more than a sporting achievement. It's a triumph of the human spirit. From navigating the world on her hands in childhood to defying odds as she grew, Prisca's story inspires perseverance in the face of challenges. Educated at Jyoti Sorat School, which supported her despite physical challenges, Prisca dreamed of higher education. As an orphan, she worked at Nazareth Hospital to support herself. A special scholarship later enabled her to study psychology at Lovely Professional University in Punjab. While academics were crucial, sports became her passion and a defining influence on her future. In 2018, Prisca found wheelchair basketball challenging her physically and enriching her life. The sport's rhythm and camaraderie fueled her passion for competitive sports. When wheelchair arm wrestling debuted in special categories, she seized the chance. Despite minimal training, she excelled, securing second and third place in state-level contests. Her achievements got selectors' eyes, recognizing her as an inspiring talent. Selected to represent India, Prisca faced her greatest challenge yet, preparing for Moldova's global stage. Guided by a dedicated coach, she immersed herself in rigorous training sessions, pushing her limits despite the physical strain. Every evening she wheeled herself to the training grounds with unwavering determination. Her journey to Moldova was more than pursuing medals. It was about breaking barriers and proving that disabilities could never define one's dreams. As she packed for her journey, the support of Shillong's community echoed, cheering not just for an athlete, but for a symbol of resilience and hope.
Nga kerting Prisca Pingrope nga tanggal dapat news nem mensyua nga sah po Missionaries of Charity po nang remba kadi anan bawan kadi kaying na benta ki konswet te nadu bangadang red nga sa be hanta te ki sister ki la penhe pensan yang nga bat ki la pendis school yang nga hadu kelas 12
pikan mau menuduk penuh berta ka papila alit sa ante po
nadu dang kha
dia pada separa
ngandan da si parang adi tanga Norway te ini paru ngamithu ra yaki te ngala longkum bangala ngala sai long ngala give up kan kumte te ngala sa ki nadu dang red ki nadu dang khai shu
te hadin tla da kelas 12 mang tai ki pulis shu
hoi ngala graduation te ngala support hidaladi kan
bila graduation hakai kastrin ba
ngalit hapo jangka psychology marsendap nga class 12 tenga ngalit system computer course hapo Don Bosco technical school nang tunga pendap system nang ta pada nga stang ban apply sya ka kam namar ba ngadon kam ban support ila jong na kabenta ka further education te adin pada nga tre hapo Nazareth hospital kum information but MRD medical record. Tenang tu pada ngalayok ken long kindiat consult kum tu bangan yok pelang tenang tu pada tengah sedang ban continue biang ya ka education jonga ka Bachelor of Psychology hapo Lovely Professional University Punjab.
Ti ngi iru ba fitin interest pa ka sports. Ta ka sports ka discipline pa fi. Stonat
Ka sports nadu arhaja ka prang ala sedang ban join ningkong nga sedang show ada kini ki long ka wheelchair basketball tengal ngale shoda kan ka wheelchair basketball tengala nasothu ba kata kamet jonga ka yarap bahaten rong kolong exercise bahat tengala nadu takapon ngal azang sotanat ka sports kan te hadin pada nasi de kai wheelchair basketball hadin marathon ru kat badan kini ki program ki basi penyat bet tenga ngalet bet nga join bet nga participate bet kini te hadin pada azang bantip so ya kan ka arm wrestling ki bala dang supen mi kang mencim snam hi naka benta jongi ki balong disable kumne te ya kataru ngala join ongan namar kade ka im jonga ya ka sports na dang red te nga ngalet bet kan ngatur bet chakmat kan ka arm wrestling ngadang le arsin hapo state lajong hadin pada hapo national pada ngadang shuwan na benai bandrio hapo Nagpur Maharashtra tengah sya salek nanti Ni lekai para sitting ken ba para wheelchair kum tu te ngalong baal pat balai.
Baru bala.
Hoi.
Ti toh kata ka bahpo nak pur ndai. Tentang ngitip ru bapin let compete abroad. Sport Moldova ka badan po Europe kon na. Ti itu lam jet ko pangkajing sha jet jong pi bandai sakan ka. Ri.
Kajing syadit jonga di bang wan lekai na po national na po Maharashtra na pur te ngan sayo ban jit ngan kinsa jit yang abangan yo lekai syabar. Syabangan ni lekai syabar te kila le final biang so sisin hang ne ha Shillong ha po Malki ground te Hamalki street sorry Hamalki street te tengah sya salek biang hang tu so sisin te ban yo present sya abroad Moldova ngako ban ai kan ka kubor ya ki kena samla kantam balong kumangi ki bam basyong ha wheelchair ki bamla ban yat te ki bamla ban pendan kam de ki te kidon ki bamla ban pendan kam de ki jat handai nila apat ban ngin shim ya kan ka sports kam kan kajing kan randin te nila ban tur syakmat
Hidan kuno ban kentu si ki paranong pet ba pila ban no jeng rap si suai ki.
Hoy, namar kumbang ong biang sya sisin namar ba pangalila kai sya te sya Europe Moldova karam bahak kajing wan jonga bat kajing sa bat kajing le kai bangi haban siu te kapoi hadu ar laktam te hadu mentaru ngadang don kam ye kita kajing yarap te lada don mana ba laban Krishan lem so bahasa wan kendu yang hang ne habeting society asa hang ne.
In Moldova, amidst the intensity of the competition, Prisca would carry with her the hopes of the nation and the quiet strength of a woman who refused to be limited by circumstances. Her story was a testament to the power of determination, reminding everyone that the true measure of courage lies not in the absence of obstacles, but in the unwavering determination to overcome them.